Welcome to our YouTube channel on job discovery. The topic going look today is simple interest. So friends, solve this type of question. Okay. So question number 1 is, what would be simple interest? What would be simple interest accrued in 4 years on principal Rs 18,450 at the rate of 15%? What would be simple interest? Okay, so simple interest equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Principal P means principal, rate of interest R means rate of interest, and T for time duration. What would be the simple interest if amount is 18,450 and rate of interest is given 15% and time duration is 4 years? So friends, see here very carefully and keep pen and paper with you. So solve it. Simple interest, substitute or value here. P is given 18,450. Okay. Rate of interest is given 15%. So substitute here very carefully. 15%. Percent means by 100. So keep right as. Okay. And time duration is 4 years. This is 15% PA means per annum. So don't change it. And by 100. So 0 and 0 cancel. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. Okay. So simple interest is 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, remainder 3, and 6 4 ja 28, 28 plus 3 will be 31. So 1 is here. 6 8 ja 48, 48 and 3 will be 51. Okay. 6 1 ja 6 and 5 will be 11. So our simple interest equal to 11,110. So answer is RS 11,110. So our answer is 11,110. See here friends, once again we need what is simple interest. Okay, if given principal is 18,400, 15% each percent rate of interest, and time duration is 4 years. So substitute or value, because simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. Okay, so substitute or value here and our simple interest will be 11,110 RS. Okay, so let's question number 2. Question number 2. If the annual rate of simple interest increase from 10% to 12.5%. Okay, ये means yearly increase by Rs 1,250. So what is his principal? We need only principal. Our target to find what is his principal. So friends, keep remember, principal always will be 100%. So keep here P equal to 100%. Okay. Now see here, increase 10%. Okay, increase 10% to 12.5%. Increase 10% to 12.5%. So 10% to 12.5%. So what is difference between 10% and 12.5%? Only 2.5%. And here difference increase by Rs 1250, increase in rupees, increase in percent 2.5%, but increase in rupees 1250, right? So in amount 1250. So we can say 2.5% equal to 1250. Am I right? See here, increase 10% to 12.5% means 2.5% is increase, and 2.5% represent in amount 1250. So 2.5% equal to 1250. Okay. Now we target what is principal. So make it 100%. Multiply by 40 will be 100%. Here our target to only find what is 100%. So make it 100%. Okay, 2.5 into 40 will be 100%. See here, 41 is 40, 42 is 80. 2% will be 80. Okay, 42 is 80, and half 40 half 20. So 80 plus 20 will be 100. So 2.5 into 40 will be 100%. Similarly, multiply by 40. Okay. So 0 and 0 will be 2 0. Okay. 4 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8 and 2 will be 10. 4 1 is 4 and 1 will be 5. So 100% equal to 50,000. So his principal is 50,000. See here, increase 2.5%, only 10% to from 10% to 12% to 12.5%. So increase 2.5%, and 2.5 represent 1250. So we can say 2.5% equal to 1250. Our target to find only what is principal. Principal will be 100%. So make it 100%. 2.5 in and 40 multiply by 40 will be 100%. Similarly, 1250 into multiply by 40 will be 50,000. So our answer is, and his principal is 50,000. So friends, move to question number 2. Question number 3. Friend, read this question very carefully and solve it. This is very easy question. Okay, so let's solve it. Okay, our target to find only simple interest. What would be the simple interest? So simple interest, read right here. Simple interest formula is, we know, P into R into T by 100. Okay, so 100 comes only percent and rate will be 5. So see here, simple interest equal to principal given is 6,000. Rate of interest is given 5% per annum, and one thing is given only 4 months. So for 4 months is only comes month. So we need convert into yearly. So 4 by 12 will be yearly. Okay, so see here, principal is 6,000 and rate of interest is 5%. PA means per annum. So keep right here, and 4 months, 4 by 12, 100 into 12. So 4 3 is 12 and 3 2 is 6. Friends, see here once again, 4 by 12 comes because this is only given in month, and interest is 5% per annum. So we need to convert in year. So convert by 12 month. 4 by 12 will be in yearly. Okay, so cut it 0 0. So 25 ja 100. So simple interest will be 100. If question asked what is amount is principal plus simple interest. Amount is principal plus simple interest. So see here, amount equal to principal plus SI. We can write only I. So amount will be, principal is 6,000, substitute here, and interest we found 100. So keep direct 100. So amount will be 600 and 6,000 and 100. 6,000 and 100. This will be our answer. Okay friends, so let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 is different compared to previous question, because 2% per 6 month, 2% given 2% per 6 month. In the year comes to 6 months, so we have 6 months, and per 6 month is 2%. So convert it 4% per year. 4% per year. So solve it. This is not difficult. We need only what is simple interest. Okay. What is simple interest? Simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100. So substitute our value. Simple interest equal to P. Principal is 500 into rate of interest. Rate of interest is given 2% per month. Per 6 month. 2% per 6 month. In 1 year comes to 6 month. So see here, 2 into 2. We can direct write as in a year per annum 4%. 4. Okay, and into 5 by 2 years. So 2 comes here into 100. So 0 0 cancel and 2 2 ja 4. So simple interest will be 5 2 ja 10. 10 into 5 is 50. So our answer is simple interest equal to 50. Okay. See here friends, once again. Okay. 2% in 6 months. In year comes to 6 months. In year comes to 6 months. So we can directly write 4% in a year. Okay. 2 into 2 will be 4%, because 6 into 2 will be 12 months. So in year will be 4%. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe and share with your friend. Thanks.